Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay at Bricks and Clicks. We're going through an entire semi-load of toys that we got in. Some pretty cool stuff on this. Chris already found a lightsaber. I know, pretty freaking awesome.
Oh look, it's the guy that's not going to be in the series anymore.
Oh, go figure. Yeah, it blends in with your Bricks and Clicks shirt. So like you could put your hood up and you would be a Jedi Master. So, starting off, brand new corkscrew crash set. Never been opened. That's pretty nice already.
This kickback, I can't believe is actually different than one that we already have.
We have so many freaking craft
Dollhouses.
dolls over there. It's insane. We have guitar with the broken string. We tried to sell these before, and it does not go well for us, even though it just needs the string. You know, they're 40, 50 bucks. We'll just add this to one of our pallets to sell. So we won't even mess with that. Nerf, this probably isn't worth much. It looks like a cheap Nerf gun. So that's gonna be another one we'll add to the pallet.
This will probably end up going to our pallets too, but I did see a pallet that had a ton of this type of stuff.
Yeah, and we sold the helmet for like 40 bucks.
But we can't send any of this out, right?
Some of it we can. Yeah, I saw some of it there. Another guitar, good money, but not for us.
Glamper, sounds like it's used.
That sounds like it's used.
Still good money though, we'll go through it and see what's in there.
This may be complete. Did we list one of these?
Yep, we have one complete and one missing accessory.
Yeah, so it looks like the guy's here and it's new inside, so we'll see what that goes for.
The last one was missing the crane on.
We have a ton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these Fortnite Rainbow Smash, which is pretty cool.
More
See if they're new inside.
You should like play me a note.
Yeah.
No, don't. No, it's just.
I'll play it for you. So this is new inside. Let's see if we can send them right to Amazon. We've sold them here though for 50, 60 bucks. They're probably worth a little bit more at Amazon. We'll see if it's complete inside. What is complete inside?
My favorite stuff, the Nerf. I'll set these aside. We've been lotting them at 2 a piece, selling them for like 60, 70 bucks. I mean, most of the time people just don't understand that you have to have the clip inside the gun to make it actually turn on and work. So this stuff, I don't think we've had any that we really haven't sold or used.
Yeah, we've had quite a bit of those Nerf guns sell for us.
How many of those do you have?
6. 6 of the rainbow.
And your best favorite piece that hopefully is complete.
I know, it just squished.
It is, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, so there's a Harry Potter Lego set. I think it's just squished.
Yeah, really, that's what
Yeah,
it looks like.
so if all the bags are in there, that's a $400 Lego set right there. I'm pretty stoked about that one.
And they stuck it on the bottom of the pallet like a bunch of words I can't say right now. Yeah, dude, the seals are still on there.
Yeah. So the question is, did any bags fall out of it when it was transporting to us? I'm gonna guess probably not. But we'll find out. Yeah, once we open it, lay it all out. That'll be a $400 Lego set. Good money there. Get our generation. What do you think of Vet Clinic?
Yeah, probably. Maybe it's damaged when we try to sell them.
Yeah. Oh, it's not a vet clinic. What the hell is it? A stable?
I haven't had one of those in a while. Yeah.
So it is a horse stable.
Is it smashed or does it just need to be put together?
It is broken. Yeah, it has a crack on it. So it's probably $100, but it is broke, so is what it is. What can you do? We'll add it to a pallet. Oh, wait. What do we have in it? Dude, all the accessories is in this bag. You know, it's funny because the only way to get the accessories of these type of things is to buy it. So we'll take the accessories, sell them. You know, there might be $30 in accessories, so not a complete loss on this.
Actually, the accessories sell really well for us too.
Yeah, the accessories actually end up being more profitable instead of trying to ship these big ass things.
This looks new.
I hope it is. It's $200 right there. So
That's promising.
yeah,
That's
so
new, man.
you can see. I'd say it's original tape across the top. Man, look how white that tape is.
Yeah, I know.
And then we just got to get this tape off. And I'm gonna say I'd
That's
agree
new, man.
that this is, you know, this is new. We'll send that right to Amazon. That's $200.
Very nice. And that's gonna go right on a pallet, right?
Yeah, we had so many of these freaking things. So these are like $100 right here at the store, and they went on sale for 80. And we had probably at least
20 something.
Yeah, I mean just a ton of them. We had them all the way down to $30, and we could not give them away. And at that point, shipping was more. So it's actually, it makes more sense to add it to the pallets that we sell. So all in all, there you go.
Thanks. After you just
Yeah, I mean the Kid Craft looks new. So between the Kid Craft, you know, you probably got $200 there.
the Lego.
The Lego's another 400, so you got $600. Hot Wheels 30, and then you know even if you lowball the Fortnite at $40 a piece, there's another 240.
30.
That one,
Oh.
yeah. And then the big Hot Wheel, $200. So I mean that's probably a $1,000 pallet that we just did. So, and the lightsaber, which we forgot about.
Which we can just mount in the office.
Yeah. So how crazy would it be? The lights are off in here. Someone breaks in, and then you got your hood up, and all you see is. That's when that guy walks around and leaves. Like that would be pretty cool. So we'll have to test it out.
Excited right
Yeah,
now.
we'll test out. If it works, we'll do it in the next video for you guys to see it. So we'll check it out. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like us, share us. Subscribing's free. It's in that little corner there. And we appreciate it. And we will see you guys shortly. We got a lot of pallets to go through.
Next video.